Welcome back to another video. Today we have new items from Harbor Freight. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more reviews to deals. We're gonna get to the new items in a little bit. First of all, we gotta go over this letter, or not letter, message from Harbor Freight. Gets modified our store hours and message about coronavirus. So they are modifying their hours. Let's see here. We're posted signs of front entrance. Remind customers not to feeling well to please shop online. Keep at least 6 feet apart. Disease control guidelines. Okay. Oh, and this is was the main reason why I wanted to go over this. Monday through Saturday from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. It says Sundays from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So those are the new hours that they will be working. It says here the new hours will provide stores with extra time sanitize. Restock allows better accommodate for associates' scheduling needs. All right, let's get to the new items. All right, this is, like I said, this is the page. This is the message that I just read. It's up here. So this is Harbor Freight's page. All right, the first item that we have is a 6-in-1 ratchet and multi-bit stubby screwdriver for $8.99. Looks like a really nice screwdriver. Looks like this is rubber, and looks like this is the directional. This is the tip, and maybe this is the part where it locks in there. Looks really nice, and it does have little letters here on the back indicating what this does. So stubby multi, so you can go this way or this way. It's like a little ratcheting screwdriver. This is an example of somebody using it. Looks really nice. And yeah, removable tips, so you can just flip them around or replace them with your favorite tips. So $8.99 for this one. Not a bad little item there. Then we got a new light. Yeah, this is pretty much the little brother for the Hucky Puck light that we always had for free. So this is a keychain LED flashlight. Pretty much it's a smaller, slimmer type of light. As you guys see on the pictures here, pretty slim. Still kind of bulky to have with the keys though. I would think this most likely be in the glove compartment or something of the vehicle. Not taking a lot of space. For keys, I don't think I would have this in my keychain. This probably would be a little too big. But yeah, it looks like it does have a nice light there, and it could help you with emergency situations there. This is a bright LED flashlight, always ready when you need it. 99 cents, so it's not a bad little item there. And then you have the 6 in-ground solar disc lights. So I guess you can put them in the grounds, and you can just see the light at the bottom. All right, that's the way they. I guess this the hook, or where this goes under the ground. Then you got the solar panel there and the 4 LEDs on the side. It looks like this is metal. Could be plastic, but it looks like metal from the pictures. It does have some sort of on and off button. I don't know if that's an on and off button there. Same thing with this. So there we go. And here's the other picture. Yeah, on and off button there. And I guess that's how you put it in. You just put it all the way down. And that's the way they look. And that's the way they could look if you have like a pathway that's really dark, or just an ambient light that it could give to your landscaping. All right, the next item we have is the 3/8 metric drive metric professional hex bit socket set for 8. It's an 8-piece, $24.99. That's an example of how it looks in the ratchet. And then you do have a nice little organizer, so you can put in your toolbox. Really nice deal there from Harbor Freight. And then the next item we have, this is the 1/4 and 3/8 drive metric professional ball hex socket set with 8-piece, $24.99. So it's basically the same thing, but ball head type of got a nice case there, organizer. That's the way it looks. Really nice. Looks really nice finish there. And that's the way it nice chrome. And then you got that's the way it looks in the box there. And then this is the other one. This is a 3/8 drive SAE Professional hex bit socket set, 8-piece, $24.99. As you guys see, it's pretty much the same. This does come in red, I guess. Maybe because it's SAE. And that's the pictures. Really nice finish. That's the way it looks in the toolbox. And that's the 1/4 3/8 SAE Professional box set socket set. Yeah, it's pretty much, that's the same as the other one. And this is a 3/8 drive SAE Professional long hex bit socket set, 8-piece, $39.99. This is the longer one. It's like for an extension. Really nice organizer there. And let's see here. So the pictures, and then we have the 3/8 drive Professional hex bit socket set. So this is the metric version. Metric's gonna be in black, obviously. Same thing as the other one, but in black. Same thing with the ball hex. That's the picture there. So $39.99 for that. And this is the metric, or the SAE, my bad. The SAE ball. And then we have the Professional super long extension set. 3-piece, $39.99. As you guys can see, it's a pretty long extension there. Hopefully we can get the measurements here. That's the way they look in a ratchet. And that's the tool organizer that you get. It's a red organizer. Nice. Let's see if we can get the measurements here. Okay, it says sizes. It says 12-inch by 1/4 inch. And then we got 18-inch. And then we got a 24-inch. So we got some really big extensions here. Mainly targeted for the professional. Us DIYs probably won't use these very often, but yeah, for the professional basically. And then we have the Professional flex head torque wrench. So this is pretty much like the old torque wrench, but it is a flex head. It's a 1/2 inch. It's $149.99. Then again, coupons are going to be coming out for these. I'm pretty sure there's coupons out there for Icon. Just have to look for them. But yeah, that's the way it looks. Really nice flex. It does have a hex screw there, so you can tie it up. Maybe it's removable. That's the way it is from the bottom. And then you got a nice case for it, so you can just throw it in your toolbox whenever you're done with it. This is the 3/8 drive compact type torque wrench, $99.99. So pretty much the same thing, but this is non-flex. This is just a click type torque wrench. So really nice. Looks like that's the serial number. Alright guys, that's it for today. Nothing else. This is the jacks we already went over on the last video. We did see the new jacks. They are blue, pretty much like the other colors, but now they have the blue ones. Yep, that's it for today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys in the next one.